In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop quickly and easily, even if you can't find it right away in your toolbar. This is one of those tools that can save you a ton of time when selecting specific parts of an image, removing backgrounds, or making precise edits. If you've ever opened Photoshop and wondered where the Magic Wand went, you're in the right place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the most common method. Look over to the left side of Photoshop and find your toolbar. In that toolbar, look for the Object Selection tool. In many versions of Photoshop, this tool is grouped together with other selection tools, and the shortcut for that group is the W key. Once you find the Object Selection tool icon, click and hold on it. A small menu should appear showing the other tools inside that same group. From there, select the Magic Wand tool. Now, if you don't see the Magic Wand tool immediately, that's completely normal. Photoshop groups several tools together, so the Magic Wand may be hidden underneath the Object Selection tool or the Quick Selection tool. That means you don't need to install anything extra or search through menus forever. It's already there. You just need to reveal it by clicking and holding the tool group. Here's another really fast way to get to it. On your keyboard, press W. That will select the tool group that contains the selection tools. If the Magic Wand tool isn't the one shown first, press Shift plus W to cycle through the tools in that group until the Magic Wand tool appears. This is a very handy shortcut once you get used to it, especially if you switch between selection tools often while editing. If you still can't find the Magic Wand tool, there's a second method to fix that. Sometimes the toolbar itself may look different or a tool may seem missing because your workspace was changed. In that case, go up to the top menu and click Window, then choose Tools. This will make sure the Tools panel is visible. If the panel still doesn't look right, you can reset the workspace. To do that, go to Window, then Workspace, and click Reset Essentials. This will restore Photoshop's default layout, including the standard toolbar arrangement. After the reset, go back to the left toolbar and check the selection tool group again. In most cases, the Magic Wand tool will be right there under the Object Selection tool group and ready to use. Once you've found it, you can start using the Magic Wand tool for selections based on similar color areas. It's especially useful for selecting backgrounds, isolating objects, and making quick edits when the image has clear contrast. If you want even more control, you can combine it with other selection tools later, but the first step is simply knowing where to find it. So just to recap, the easiest way to add or access the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop is to look at the left toolbar, click and hold the Object Selection tool group, and choose Magic Wand tool. You can also press W and then Shift plus W to cycle through the tools. And if the toolbar is missing or looks off, go to Window Tools or reset the workspace through Window Workspace Reset Essentials. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.